Eu tô tipo Nina Bravanel mandando a mídia se fuder, batendo na cara da mandando a mídia se fuder.
What is your opinion regarding cleanliness around Zone Hostel?
Okay, to be honest, the cleaning condition of the hostel is quite good right now. There are cleaning staffs all around the hostel who make sure that all the floors, all the fields are cleaned on a regular basis. Along with that, we could also say that the municipality vehicle come here on a regular basis to collect the garbage from here, and above it there are pest control services that are provided to the hostel on a weekly basis.
Yeah.
So I
Have you noticed any cleanliness issue in Zone Hostel? If yes, please specify it.
ये ऐसा है कि सोन हॉस्टल का क्लीनलीनेस और मेंटेनेंस जो है स्टाफ की तरफ से और स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से भी काफ़ी अच्छा किया जा रहा है, परंतु आसपास के रहने वाले जो लोग हैं, जैसे कि ये इस बिल्डिंग के पीछे रहने वाली जो सोसाइटी है, उस वहाँ के लोगों में जागरूकता की कमी होने के कारण और कचरा उठाव में इरेगुलरिटी होने के कारण वो कचरा का अंबार बन चुका है और उससे डेंगू मलेरिया जैसे बीमारियों के फैलने की संभावना बढ़ चुकी है.
The overall cleanliness in Zone Hostel satisfactory? Give answer in yes or no.
I think yes, the cleanliness is satisfactory.
Okay, then second question is, are the washrooms cleaned regularly?
Yes, yes.
Answer the questions in yes and no format. Okay. So my first question will be: is the overall cleanliness in the Zone Hostel satisfactory?
Yes.
Are the washroom cleaned regularly?
Yes.
Is the drinking water area kept clean?
For some places, yes.
Is the garbage collected regularly from the hostel?
Yes, I don't see any garbage over hall जो भी.
Do students follow cleanliness rule in the hostel?
आपके हिसाब से मतलब हॉस्टल में क्या क्या होना चाहिए? जैसे कि बाहर देख रहे हो आप पूरा कचरे है, इधर पूरे कचरे, वहाँ से स्मेल बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं.
देखो, हॉस्टल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तो उसके रिगार्डिंग जो कर सकता है वो करता ही है. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि नगर निगम का गाड़ी जो है वो कभी कभी रेगुलरली नहीं आता. जैसे म्यूनिसिपैलिटी पे डिपेंडेंसी है, उसको घटाने के लिए कॉलेज को कुछ अपना इंतजाम करना चाहिए हर हॉस्टल में, ताकि पर डे कचरा डिस्पोज हो.
Major issue in many colleges, dustbin overflow and cleaning is often delayed due to lack of monitoring. So today I am presenting a smart dustbin model that uses physics and technology to solve this problem. Physics concept used in this is, here we use the principle of ultrasonic sound waves. The sensor sends sound waves which reflect back from the garbage surface. By measuring the time taken, we calculate the distance. We can say distance is equal to speed of sound into time whole divided by 2. This helps us to know how the full dustbin is used. Working explanation in this is, when a person brings their hand near the dustbin, the sensor detects the object. The servo motor opens the lid automatically. Inside the bin, another sensor measures garbage level. If the bin is full, LED glows or buzzer sounds. This ensures timely cleaning. Conclusion of overall this is, so this smart dustbin is a simple yet effective solution combining physics and technology to create a cleaner environment. Thank you.